The moi moia, or that dream that I had of Paiheretia, it came from my time working out at the prison.
I think the key thing to mention here is the partnership between Arapautama, Te Puni Kōkiri Ministry of Social Development and Ngāti Kahungunu iwi.
When we lock away our men, we shouldn't be locking away or punishing the whānau. So that's what Paiheretia to me is about. It's about supporting our whānau to know that while their tāne is away, that they are being looked after.
Kaupapa service that you can actually incorporate the whānau right from the beginning, right at the parole hearing.
It's incredible. It really breaks down a lot of barriers for our whānau.
What we all want to achieve together to facilitate those strong relationships, those strong bonds.
It's a dream that started well over 30 years ago.
It's personal to me because my sister and her tāne spent time in prison, and when they came out of prison, my mother was their only support.
We collaboratively designed the kaiarataki service based on the whānau needs within Hastings, Napier and Te Wairua.
I worked alongside a kaumātua, and he said to me, and I remember it vividly, he said to me, "You're one person to the world, boy, but you can be the world to one person through your actions."
One of my tāne, when he first came out, he looked at us and said, "I've never felt so much support."
So if you take a look at some of the tepuna behind me, their aspirations for our people were to achieve excellence in all areas of their lives. So the possibility is kahungunu ki te whaiao ki te ao mārama, which is achieving excellence in all areas of our lives.
I don't think hard's the right way to explain it. I think probably very challenging, trying to make sure that the whānau voice is always at the forefront of every decision that we make.
If it's not meeting their needs, they can withdraw when they want to.
The plan going into the future would be to expand it.
Paiheretia needs to be available to all whānau throughout Aotearoa. We are the architects of our destiny.
It's an emotional change.
The mahi gives me hope. The hope that our people will be well, continue to be well and supported where they need to be supported, so that they can achieve and be the best versions of themselves. That's how it makes me feel hopeful.